Hi, this is Grace. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own Jalu skirt pattern. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. Measure your hip size and your desired skirt length. This is what the full pattern looks like. Begin by drawing the skirt. Basic line. Hip divided by 4 plus extra. Add 2, 3 inches or 4 for fullness. Mine is 2 inches. For example, my number is 11 inches. Draw the skirt width. Next, draw the skirt length. This depends on your height and preference. I'm 5'2" and 32 inches works well for me, including a 3 inches hem allowance. For the waistband, match the skirt waist width and make it 3.5 inch high. Now, draw the straps 2 inches wide and 40 inches long. Label each piece. Don't forget to mark the fold symbol and the green line. Cut out every piece you need, and I almost forgot the pocket. It's just one piece, 11 by 4 inches. My favorite choice is lightweight denim. I made a Jalu skirt last time, but the fullness was my style, so I'm recycling my own skirt for this project. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides together. Lay each pattern piece on the fabric according to the green line. Make sure the green line arrow is parallel to the fabric selvage. Trace your pattern and you are ready to cut the fabric. Label each piece so you won't get confused when sewing. Repeat the tracing step for additional pieces. I've got 2 skirt pieces, 4 pocket pieces, 2 waistband pieces, and 4 straps. People often ask me what kind of fabric works best for this design. Since it doesn't have a lot of gathering, it works well with fabrics that have a bit of a body but still drape nicely, like lightweight denim, cotton linen brands, chambray, or poplin. That's it for today. Next time, we'll sew it up. See you then.